Okay, so that's the this is the President Casino. Just kind of show you the context of it, and it looks like it overlooks MGM, Star World. So we're gonna walk around it, and then we're gonna show it to you. This is like a parking garage down here. Kind of cool stuff around here. Fortuna. Let's kind of give you a quick. There's Fortuna Casino as well. Just a bunch of casinos all the way back in that way as well. Tons of them. But this is going to be our focus, President. So let's do this one. Go check out the room. Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and hit the like button. Okay, so it's President Casino. So we're gonna just basically walk. We're gonna walk around the block. So we're gonna go around like that. I will just kind of show you a little context of it. This is a parking garage directly that way. There's MGM Casino. So let's go check it all out. Restaurants. So yeah, this has like restaurant, pharmacy, more restaurants, gold shops, Fortuna Casino and hotel right there as well. But our focus is going to be all about President Casino. I think I'm going to walk, let's walk this way because I want to capture all these lights as well. So this is the backside of President Casino. Yeah, the lighting is, check this out. Got a little Guan Yin statue right there. It's beautiful. It's really cool. Okay. So what we're gonna do is walk through and around it. Parking garage. So here we got meat restaurants, liquor shops, gold shops. Lots of gold in here. Lots of gold all the way down. So yeah, this whole area, it's all called Zape, and then you got like pharmacies, saunas, hotels, stuff like that. Okay. But I want to make sure that we focus on President Casino, which is this one. Huh. It's kind of cool. Got more of this stuff. Alcohol, gold, pharmacies. And there's another angle of President Casino. There you go. So yeah, that whole area, there's a bunch of some residential up there. There's like it's kind of like a casino. It's kind of a casino. That's Landmark Casino straight ahead. And that's so that's Landmark, Emperor. This is just a pure residential one, and then this is President Casino right there. So it's just kind of fade through here. So there's President Casino right there. Yeah, actually, if you sit in one of these, I'd imagine that you can overlook that over there. So let's kind of take a look at what you can see. So over here is Star World. There's a bunch of office building stuff over that way. Sands Casino, if you can see that orange one in the lighting back there, that's Sands Casino. So okay. So let's walk up towards this way. So this way you can kind of see the lobby, stuff like that. Plus you get a pretty good view from up here too. So yeah, this is Presidente. And it says right there, the lobby, it says Hotel Presidente for the bus stop as well. Let's take a look right here. This is actually one of the few ways you can cross over. So this is called Nape, and this is called Zape. And then there's this big giant thing right here, and they do the in the middle they also have like stands for the Grand Prix, so that'll be right in the middle part. And you got kind of the more expensive casinos over on that side, so Wynn, MGM, Star World, those all cost you like 150 American dollars or whatever, even during COVID. These on this side, it costs you more like 25 American dollars in COVID era. I was looking at the prices lately because I know I'm going to film some of the hotels. So just to give you some context for that, I'm going to head on down. There's Futuna again, so we're basically out front again. You see the Macau Tower over there. Then we're going to just try to capture a little bit more of this. So we got, this is like a parking spot, and there's a President Casino right there. So it looks pretty cool. Let's go all the way up it, and then you can see all the rooms. So I think most of the rooms go that way, or they go that way, and that's the residential apartment building right there. Let's go back a little bit further. Some other stuff in this area. Give you some more context for stuff. There you go, President Casino. And I think we'll end it right there with President Casino with Star Road in the background, like that. Chiquinha, chiquinha.